Imagine you're stepping into a storybook, where history, art, and wonder come alive. Welcome to Wells Cathedral, a majestic masterpiece nestled in the heart of England's charming countryside. Its grand façade, adorned with intricate sculptures and towering spires, rises like a giant stone tapestry, telling tales from centuries past. Built over 800 years ago, Wells Cathedral is a beacon of medieval architecture. Its construction began in the 12th century, and it's one of the finest examples of early English Gothic style. As you walk closer, you'll notice the impressive west front, a stone wall filled with nearly 300 medieval carvings of saints, kings, and fantastical creatures, each with its own story to tell. Step inside, and the magic continues. The soaring ceilings and vast, airy nave make you feel as though you've entered a sacred, timeless space. Light filters through the stunning stained glass windows, casting colorful patterns on the stone floor. These windows are not just beautiful. They are storytellers, depicting biblical scenes and the cathedral's rich history. One of the most fascinating features is the scissor arches. Imagine giant stone arms, reaching up and crisscrossing to support the central tower. These unique arches were ingeniously designed in the 14th century to prevent the tower from collapsing. They are a perfect blend of beauty and engineering, showcasing the incredible skill of medieval builders. Don't miss the chapter house, where the cathedral's monks once met. Climb a spiral staircase to a room with a star-shaped vaulted ceiling, supported by a single central pillar. It's a place where you can almost hear the whispers of ancient voices discussing matters of faith and governance. Wells Cathedral also has an astronomical clock, one of the oldest working clocks in the world. It chimes every quarter hour, and if you watch closely, you'll see jousting knights gallop around the clock face. A delightful spectacle that has entertained visitors for centuries. As you leave Wells Cathedral, take a moment to wander through the peaceful cloisters and the beautiful gardens beyond. It's easy to imagine monks walking these paths, lost in contemplation. Wells Cathedral is more than just a building. It's a living, breathing piece of history. Every stone, every carving, and every window has a story to tell. It's a place where the past and present meet, inviting you to be a part of its ongoing tale. So, next time you're in England, let Wells Cathedral be the chapter in your storybook adventure.